Mastering Culinary Terms, Unpacking Herb Rub. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we have a fascinating topic on our hands. We are going to dive into the world of culinary terms, specifically the phrase, herb rub. Whether you're a food enthusiast or just looking to expand your English vocabulary, this video is tailored for you. So, let's embark on this flavorful journey together and unravel the meaning and usage of herb rub. The phrase, herb rub, consists of two words, herb and rub. Herb refers to plants with savory or aromatic properties, commonly used in cooking to add flavor. Think of basil, rosemary, thyme, and the like. Rub, in this context, means to apply pressure and move your hand back and forth. When you rub something onto food, you are spreading it across the surface. When combined, an herb rub is a mixture of ground herbs and spices that you rub onto the surface of meat, fish, or vegetables before cooking. It's used to enhance the flavor and often helps to create a delicious crust on the food when cooked. Using an herb rub is quite straightforward. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. 1. Choose your herbs and spices. Pick a combination of dried herbs and spices. Common choices include rosemary, thyme, garlic powder, paprika, and black pepper. 2. Mix them together. In a bowl, combine your chosen herbs and spices. 3. Apply to your food. Take your mixture and rub it all over the surface of your meat, fish, or vegetables. Make sure to cover it evenly. 4. Let it marinate. If possible, let your food sit for a while to absorb the flavors. This could be anywhere from 30 minutes to several hours. 5. Cook and enjoy. Cook your food as you normally would, and enjoy the enhanced flavors from your herb rub. To get the most out of your herb rub, here are a few tips. Use dried herbs. They tend to stick to the food better and have a more concentrated flavor when cooked. Be generous. Don't be shy with your rub. A generous coating will ensure a flavorful crust. Experiment. Feel free to experiment with different herbs and spices until you find a combination that you love. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about herb rubs. We hope this video has demystified this culinary term for you and added a new and flavorful dimension to your English vocabulary. Don't forget to practice using it in sentences, and maybe even try making your own herb rub at home. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!